Guys, most men think if their bedroom performances start to slip, they just need a little blue pill and they'll be just fine. But here's the truth that literally no one is telling you. That blue pill, it's not a cure, it's a crutch. I'm Eric Leckie, a physiotherapist and men's health coach who helps guys just like you get rock hard and stay leak-free. Now in this video, I am revealing what most doctors just aren't going to tell you about fixing erectile dysfunction. Because the truth of the matter is, most doctors aren't trained in full body, full life approach that actually gets guys like you results. I'm walking you through 7 essential strategies to rebuild confidence, improve your blood flow, and feel like yourself again. All backed by science and easy to start today. All right, guys. Step number 1, I want you to think of your body like a high performance engine. Now, before you go off and tune it, you need to run a full diagnostics report to make sure that that engine is running properly. So I want you to ask your doctor to run blood work and to test you on the following levels. Number 1, your total and free floating testosterone, your A1C, which is your blood sugar, your LDL and HDL cholesterol levels, your CRP, and your thyroid function. Low testosterone, poor blood sugar control, sky-high cholesterol. This is like trying to drive with a clogged fuel line and no motor oil. Ask your physician for a printout and track your improvements every 3 to 6 months as you make the following changes. All right. Step number 2, gentlemen, your penis is a pressure system. For blood to flow in and for it to stay there, the vessels need to be healthy. Having elevated blood sugar damages the lining of your arteries. High LDL cholesterol causes plaque and also damage to the lining of the arteries. Think of it like pouring concrete into a garden hose. Now, the biggest game changer, we need to lose a little bit of belly fat. I want you to find a diet that works for you. So check with your doctor first, but it could be low carb, carnivore, Mediterranean, intermittent fasting. It doesn't matter, you just want to find one that suits your situation. If it helps you shrink your waistline, you're winning. Okay, this is what you can do. Number 1, cut out processed carbs and sugar. You need to move daily. Guys, walking is medicine, and I would aim for roughly 10,000 steps every day. Focus on omega-3 fatty acids, foods high in fiber, and lots of colorful veggies. Step number 3, guys, your pelvic floor is like the suspension system in your car. If it's weak or tight, performance is going to take a hit. So these pelvic floor muscles, they are responsible for keeping you hard, controlling your ejaculation, and stopping urine dribble after you're done urinating. So to make these muscles strong, you can start doing Kegels the right way. Power, endurance, and most importantly, relaxation. All right, guys, I'm gonna demonstrate how to do an entry-level Kegels contraction for you right now so that you can follow along and just get the basic idea. Excuse the visual, but you want to put 2 fingers right underneath your scrotum. So find that area, it's called your taint, also known as the gooch. You're gonna put 2 fingers there and you're gonna feel for a contraction. Next, lean on your desk in front of you. You're gonna take a big breath in. Breathe out slowly, and once all the air is out of your lungs, stop the flow of urine, let it go. That is a basic Kegels contraction. You should have felt something just bulge underneath your fingertips, or it might have felt like a string pulling tight. That is your pelvic floor muscle working. That is ground zero, and that's just the starting point. Now, if you want guided support by yours truly, I've linked my Kegels for Men exercise program down in the description and in the comment section. It takes all the guesswork out of it, showing you how to contract, relax, and build long-term strength into your pelvic floor muscles. Guys, this program is a must. Men all around the world are loving it. Go check that out. Okay, tip number 4. Stress and anxiety are like trying to drive with that parking brake on. Chronic stress keeps you in fight or flight mode, and it shuts down your sexual function. Let's reset that right now. I want you to do this breathing exercise with me. So sitting here, inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 2, and slowly exhale through your mouth for 8. 2 more rounds. Inhale for 4 through the nose, hold the breath for 2, exhale through the mouth for 8. One more. Inhale through the nose for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 8. Good work. Did you feel that? That is your vagus nerve activating, your body switching from stress to relaxation mode, allowing for better blood flow to your penile tissue. Now, some other tools and strategies you can try to better manage your stress are you can do journaling or even consider going to therapy to talk to a professional about what's going on. You can consider open communication with your partner. Obviously, if you're struggling with your erections, they're going to know about this as well. And you can prioritize pleasure over performance in the bedroom to take that stress off your shoulders. Tip number 5, sleep isn't just rest, it's a hormonal reset, guys. Your testosterone levels, they peak during deep sleep. So if you miss deep sleep, your levels drop very, very fast. And think of the effects of having years of bad sleep. Yikes. But don't worry, that's why you're starting these tips today. Now, most guys stay up too late, they scroll too much on their iPad or their phone, and they wonder why nothing's working. So try to improve your sleep by focusing on the following. Number 1, set a consistent bedtime and stick to it. 7 hours is non-negotiable, so no screens and no bright lights before going to bed. Number 3, you can consider trying magnesium glycinate or a hot shower to wind down and prepare yourself for sleep. And guys, here's a game changer for your sleep. I want you to consider using a high quality sleep mask to block out light completely. Now, I personally use Mantis Sleep. They are comfortable, they're lightweight, they completely block out all light, and they have this C-cup design that rests perfectly around your eyes. I literally take these masks everywhere, whenever I'm traveling and I'm on the road. They've been a lifesaver. Now, they even make a model called the Mantis Sleep Sound, and they have slim profile Bluetooth speakers over the ears so that you can hook this bad boy up to a podcast, you can listen to white noise, or you can listen to a sleep meditation as you wind down for the evening and then drift off into a restful sleep so that we can make sure that your testosterone levels are as high as possible. All right, now you guys can use code LECKY at checkout for 10% off your order. I will link Mantis Sleep in the comment and in the description section below. So go on, view their range of sleep masks. You just won't regret it. Thank you, Mantis Sleep, for sponsoring our channel. Back to the video. All right, guys, tip number 6. We're almost there. What I need you to realize is that these symptoms, they didn't happen overnight. And you're not going to fix it overnight either. It's like building muscle. Small, consistent reps beat crash efforts every single time. I want you to track your progress using either a notepad or the Notes app on your phone to measure your morning wood, your urine dribble, and your confidence. Stick to the plan for at least 12 weeks to start seeing some results. All right, guys, tip number 7. Erectile dysfunction pills are tools, not cures. They give you temporary help, but they don't fix the root causes. It would be like strapping a turbocharger on a broken down car. Looks flashy, but it's pointless in the long term. Now, some supplements that can help when used properly are L-citrulline and beetroot. They help boost nitric oxide and blood flow. You've got ashwagandha, which reduces cortisol and stress. Zinc and vitamin D, they support testosterone. And then magnesium glycinate helps you to improve your sleep and your deep muscle relaxation. Now, you can use them to support your bigger strategy, but they do not replace it. Guys, most doctors, they want to help, but they're trained to prescribe, not coach. Erectile dysfunction isn't just about what happens in the bedroom. It's a full body issue that deserves a full body program. And that's what you now have. 7 science-backed strategies that you can start today. You've now got options and you've got a little bit of momentum. Now, if you want me in your corner, make sure that you honor our gentleman's agreement, which is our virtual handshake agreement, where if you have watched more than one of my videos, you go and click that subscribe button right now while watching this, and then you're gonna leave me a comment saying gentleman's agreement in the comment section below. Just like all of these, I'm literally getting thousands as we continue to grow. And once you comment that, I can then go and welcome you to the best and most inclusive community on all of YouTube. And guys, if you need more help and if you want me to design a program tailored to your situation and your needs, I offer free 15-minute Zoom calls where we can discuss your situation and then determine if you'd be a good fit for either my 1-hour coaching call or my 12-week coaching program, where I walk with you step by step in overcoming these men's health challenges. Now, guys, the links to absolutely everything I mentioned in this video are located below in the description section of the video and in the pinned comment. So please make sure you go and check them out. And remember, regardless of your situation, keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.